We use quilts every day, but do you know how to make a tape band quilt? Today, I will show you our Richpeace tape band quilt automatic production line. The first is our L series multi-needle quilting machine. Its maximum speed can reach to 1,500 RPM. The output of conventional patterns can reach to 3 to 6 meters per minute. Here we recommend pre-connecting with a carding machine, which can greatly improve the production capacity of carding machine and multi-needle machine, truly achieving the effect of high input and high output. Next is our four-sided sewing machine. The function of this machine is to perform the process of edge sewing first and then cutting the product produced by the multi-needle machine. The advantage of this machine's process is to avoid the problem of stitch breakage in the product produced by the multi-needle machine during cutting process, which can greatly improve the product quality. Next is an alignment platform, mainly used for positioning and transferring. The last is our automatic tape banding machine. The machine can automatically finish the banding process of 4 sides of the quilt. The machine also has standard functions such as auto labeling, auto edge folding, auto tape trimming, and auto tape feeding. Now let's see some details of the product made by this production line. First is a pattern made by the multi-needle quilting machine. And here, this is a tape band made by the automatic tape banding machine. Follow us for more Richpeace home textile automatic solutions.